What is everyone? This is Motorola, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Nvidia drivers causing crashes or lags in your games when you're trying to play them. So let's get right into this. So the thing is, a lot of times when your graphic card usually doesn't update, usually the older graphic cards, I want to say, when an update happens, it usually breaks certain games, right? Or certain games start to crash, certain games start to like lag and bug out where they might have been working fine. There's instances of this happening. I forgot which graphic card it was for Nvidia, where if you had the latest version, Skyrim didn't perform as should have, basically, and then if you went back like a few driver versions, it was perfectly fine. So it can kind of go down in this like rut of this issue where it's working for older ones but not the newer ones, because usually the newer updates work better with the newer graphic cards and then the games itself because they're more optimized for that. So if you want to essentially to fix this, basically you need to roll back your driver update. And the best way to do it is for Nvidia specifically, is the section that I'm on over here. You can manually search for the driver over here. So you can explicitly search for your graphic card. And then from here, you can explicitly then find the different versions of the drivers you had. And either that, or you could kind of do a little bit more research for the specific game. You can find online where people have curated like insights into like do this version instead, do this version instead. Or again, you could play around yourself to get to the answer that you're trying to. Yeah, that's basically it. Once you gotta do this, you will get the latest version or the previous versions to install, and then you should be good to go and not have these errors persist any longer. So yeah, that's basically it. If you guys are a video, please thumbs up, go and channel, make sure to subscribe, click that notification bell, and that much rolls out. Peace.